Hello guys, so today I'm talking about the new stock on this channel called Alfi Inc, ticker symbol ALF, ALF. I don't know if you heard of it, they recently had an IPO last week actually. It was supposed to come out at the price 415, but it dipped down to like 240 I believe, and it's now trading at 407 today in the pre-market. And now they have a smaller shares float, 11.8 million shares outstanding actually. And before we can discuss anything, let's get over who they actually are and what they do. So they provide AI and machine learning software solutions. Their biggest focus is on digital out-of-home technology, which are those digital ads or panels you see on a bus station or in a mall, subway, airport, and so on. Here, this is how it looks like. All of these digital billboards, let's call it like that. So the problem with these digital out-of-home ads is that that it's really difficult to target the right customer without the real cookies and personal data. And Alfi has developed this software with AI that analyzes user demographic, psychographic, and geolocation to deliver him or her the right content or ads. They then sense users' behavior and provide real-time feedback on how good and relevant was the ad or content that was shown to them, which they then report and as well use it to better deliver next time. So that is what they do in simple words. As they said it themselves, they are trying to deliver the right content to the right person at the right time in a respectful and ethical manner. It is also GDPR CCPA compliant, which just means it doesn't collect people's personal information, which is very important, guys. And so their main focus is to transfer digital out of home industry, but that's not the only market that they are involved in. So the full market that they are targeting is over $600 billion market, including the online market. And as they showed, this proof of concept is that after 30 days of brands advertising on Alfi's tablets, they delivered much higher click-through rate and much lower CPM, actually $7.5 per 1,000 people seeing your ad, and on average an astonishing 10% click-through rate. I don't know guys if you have any experience in advertising, but I actually used to run Facebook ads for multiple local businesses before, and this number is absolutely amazing. Another great thing is that they are using all the money from this IPO for commercialization, as their R&D, their research and development is completed, and they expect to start being profitable in the fourth quarter of this year. At this moment right now they have no revenues yet, but they expect their first revenue in this quarter from 5 of these different clients, meaning after this quarter we will see how market reacts to their product, to their software. Now competition is tough and there are big players in this industry, but if Alfi's product outperforms them, and as they say they will, it does already, there is no stopping for them to surpass their competitions. Because if we look at it from advertisers' eyes, for example, because like why are people even doing ads? It's like obviously they are trying to sell more of their whatever they're selling, or to make money in general from that advertising. They're all seeking to pay less and get more for that. And if Alfie actually does deliver lower CPM and a higher CTR or click-through rate, then there is no reason for advertisers not to pay for their software. The only thing Alfie needs is the actual market using their product, which is happening in this quarter, and if it delivers good results for them, then the rapid expansion could start, with all the money going to commercialization as well. Here they're also showing us their competitive advantages, of which to me personally the most important one is accurate user targeting, but all of the features, the advantages are just amazing, and it definitely puts them in front of the competition. If it is how they say it is, we will see in this quarter. Now, if you guys want to look through this presentation yourself, it has a lot here. It's 22 pages. So you can see it on their website, getalfi.com. And also guys, before I tell you what I'm doing with this, can you please like this video? It really means a lot to me and pushes this info to more people. And also please comment your thoughts on Alfi. I actually wanna know, you heard about this company before, or this is your first time hearing about it? What do you think about it? Yes, and I did not mention that their management team is full of experienced individuals, and they also appointed a chief revenue officer on Friday, Ron Spears, a very experienced individual in their market with almost 20 years of experience, or as it says here, an award-winning ad tech and digital sales veteran. Now, I'm not going to talk about him now, but I did my research and he's done some very great stuff, and I think will benefit them huge in terms of revenue and in general. And also, one last thing that came out yesterday is that they earned 17.8 million, approximately 17.8 million from this share offering, and that they are intending to use the net proceeds primarily for the rollout of Alfi's enabled tablets into service, accelerate the rollout of its software as a service software platform, and repayment of any outstanding indebtedness. Okay, now to conclude everything and tell you what I'm doing with this stock. So as I stated on the beginning, they have a small shares float, which means they make big percentage moves, which is amazing for day trading and scalping. And I don't think they will stay like this forever. They will do more share offerings in my opinion. But looking at it as a long-term investment, it's definitely an amazing stock. And why I'm not currently invested in it for long term, besides because I'm using it for day trading, is because I want the proof of their product. I want to prove that it's actually good as they say it is, which we will see by the end of this quarter. Of course, anything can change and happen, and I might decide to invest earlier. But if that happens, I will inform you guys about it here on my channel. Also, when or if anything important happens with this stock or company, I will make an update about it as soon as possible. Now guys, I want to tell you to be careful. The same way as this could turn to the upside quickly and massively, the same thing can happen to the downside. So be aware of that. I believe if we get some sort of good news, this could literally fly to $10 in no time because of the small share float. So just keep a close eye on the price and the news. And what I'm doing right now for my day trading, actually I will try to swing it now. So I have two orders already activated. The first one is to buy half of my position at 380 and the other half at 350. Of course, it doesn't mean it will pull that low, but it's just based off this technical analysis. I believe it could. Of course, I could be very wrong. And then if it does, my profit target is actually around 7. I'm not sure about the profit target yet, but definitely if it drops below this trend line, I'm gonna sell. So that's it guys, thank you for watching this video. As I said, I will keep updating about this stock now actively on my channel, so subscribe to not miss anything, and also check out some of my other videos as well, and see you guys in the next video.